Apple has officially launched iOS 26, and honestly, it's one of the biggest iOS updates in years. If you just updated your iPhone, you've probably noticed immediately that it looks, feels, and behaves differently, in the best possible way. This isn't just a minor tweak or a bug fix release. From redesigned app icons and wallpapers, to fully customizable lock screens, a smarter messages app, a revamped phone experience, next-gen AI tools, enhanced battery management, music upgrades, and even 2 brand new apps, iOS 26 is absolutely loaded. But here's what makes this update even more remarkable. It's not just the headline features Apple showcased on stage. There are dozens of hidden gems tucked deep in the menus, subtle interface tweaks, and design refinements that completely change how your iPhone feels in day-to-day use. iOS 26 doesn't just look modern. It feels smarter, more intuitive, and futuristic. In this breakdown, we're going to cover everything new in iOS 26, from major visual changes and interface overhauls to hidden features, customization tricks, and subtle improvements that make your iPhone more powerful, private, and fun to use. So grab your iPhone, because you'll want to try these must-know features, tips, and hidden secrets as soon as possible. Visual overhaul, redesigned icons and glass-like aesthetic. The first thing you'll notice after updating is the all-new app icons. Messages, Safari, Mail, and your other favorite apps are still recognizable, but they now feature soft gradients, subtle depth, and a reflective shine effect. Move your phone slightly, and the parallax effect gives your home screen an almost 3D, glass-like feel. It's a modern take on the radical redesign Apple introduced with iOS 7, but with a premium, rich, and dynamic look. Clear icon mode is one of the most futuristic features. Long press the home screen, edit, customize, clear icons, and suddenly your apps and widgets become fully translucent. The result? A futuristic, almost sci-fi home screen, especially striking with colorful or gradient wallpapers. Apple has also introduced refined color tinting, allowing you to unify your icons in a single color theme such as deep blue or glowing red. This provides a clean, cohesive, and polished look across your home screen, control center, system toggles, and Apple apps. Everything flows together in a glass-like premium design that feels intentional and modern. Lock Screen 2.0. Fully customizable and immersive. The lock screen is now more dynamic and interactive than ever. Resizable clock, shrink it for subtlety or expand it to dominate your lock screen. Dynamic clock integration. The clock seamlessly adapts to your wallpaper in real time, no editing required. Spatial scenes. Using machine learning, iOS 26 separates subjects from backgrounds in your photos and applies a 3D parallax effect. Tilt your phone and watch your images shift in depth, creating a stunning sense of dimension. This isn't just cosmetic. The lock screen feels alive and personal, giving every iPhone a unique appearance tailored to your style. Photos app, smarter, streamlined, and interactive. The Photos app has undergone a major overhaul to make it more intuitive and useful. Bottom tab navigation makes exploring your library fast and easy. No more endless swiping through confusing menus. Spatial button. Turn any photo into a 3D parallax image, interact with it, or set it as a dynamic wallpaper. Improved search and categorization. Quickly find memories, pets, objects, or events using the redesigned search system. Powered by the A-series neural engine, the app is faster, smoother, and more responsive than ever before. Messages, personalized, interactive, and smarter iOS 26 transforms the Messages app into a modern, feature-rich communication hub. Conversation wallpapers, set custom backgrounds for individual or group chats. Use a meme, gradient, or photo. Every conversation feels unique. Polls and group chats. Quickly vote on plans or decisions with automatic results displayed in the chat. Typing indicators in groups. Know exactly when someone is replying. No more dead silent group threads. Selective copy. Copy only what you need from a message instead of entire text blocks. Unknown sender. Sorting. Messages from unknown numbers are automatically filtered into a separate section, acting as a built-in SMS and iMessage spam shield. These updates make iOS 26 messages competitive with WhatsApp and Telegram, while keeping Apple's clean and minimal design language. Phone app, smarter calls and complete control. The phone app finally gets the attention it deserves. Unified view, favorites, Recents and voicemails now appear on a single, clean page. Call reminders. Swipe a missed call to set a callback reminder directly in the app. Contact profiles. Tap a contact to view call history, duration stats, and more. Custom ringtones. Set any MP3 from the Files app as a ringtone. No iTunes or workarounds required. The control center is more modular and personalized than ever, featuring a dedicated VPN toggle for instant access and allowing you to drag, resize, and group controls into your own dashboard. AI features. Subtle. Smart and powerful, Apple has integrated practical AI features without overwhelming users. Circle to search, screenshot an object, circle it and instantly search online. Works for clothing, landmarks, food, and more. Mix emoji, Jamoji 2.0. Combine multiple emojis to create unique mashups. AI image playground. Generate AI illustrations directly on your iPhone without third-party apps. Battery AI insights. Adaptive power mode learns your habits, optimizes background processes, and improves battery longevity without intrusive gimmicks. Battery and power management. Smarter than ever battery management has received a huge boost. Battery Analytics tab. Track usage trends, app drains, and historical comparisons. Adaptive power mode. Dynamically tweaks performance for extra efficiency when you need it most. Charging estimates. See how long until your iPhone reaches 80% or 100% charge right on the lock screen. These changes give users unprecedented control and transparency, something Android phones have offered for years. Camera. Cleaner, smarter. AI enhanced. The camera app has been simplified for efficiency. Minimal mode selection. Only photo and video are visible by default, keeping the interface clean. Swipe for other modes. Portrait, slow-mo, or cinematic settings are tucked neatly in corners. Lens dirt detection. AI detects smudges and prompts cleaning for sharper photos. Music app, next level listening, iOS 26. Brings major updates to the music app. Pinned playlists and albums, keep favorites at the top. Auto-mix DJ transitions. Songs flow seamlessly with AI-driven mixing. Animated lock screen covers. Album art comes alive on the lock screen. Live lyrics translation. Lyrics automatically translate for songs in other languages. Playlist folders. Organize large music libraries efficiently. Music lovers will find iOS 26 transforms the experience into a true Spotify-level competitor. Clock app. Snooze freedom, a small but impactful update. Customize snooze duration from 1 to 15 minutes. After 20 years of the default 7 minutes, users finally have full control over snooze settings. Final thoughts. The boldest iOS yet iOS 26 is not an incremental update. It's bold, forward-thinking, and comprehensive. Full visual overhaul. Deep customization, enhanced messages and phone apps. Smarter AI features, revamped photos. Music and camera apps. 2 brand new apps, sure. Battery life could still improve, but overall, iOS 26 is the most complete and forward-looking iOS update since iOS 14. If you haven't updated yet, now is the perfect time. If you already have, explore the menus, experiment with customization, and discover hidden features most users don't even know exist.